Besties, in today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 secret websites to make money online this year. Yes, so if you're new here, please make sure that you introduce yourselves. I'd like to know you and meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? Let's just get right into today's business. The first website on my list here is Skillshare. Yes, Skillshare.com. Now, just so you know, Skillshare subscribers must pay a monthly fee in order to access their preferred lessons and courses, and that makes Skillshare a lucrative way to make money. Skillshare can be compared to Netflix for educational content. Now, you can contribute your skills on the Skillshare platform and earn a passive income monthly by doing so. You don't have to be there. Once your course is there, you're making money every month. If you're skilled at anything that is in high demand, like teaching maths or teaching people how to play an instrument, you can make a ton of money on this platform. There is also an alternative method of making money on Skillshare. If you lack any useful knowledge or abilities to impart, you can use Skillshare's pay per lead affiliate marketing program to earn $7 for each person that registers for a free trial on their website using your affiliate link. You're welcome. The next website on my list here is Rumble. Yes, Rumble is a video sharing website where content creators can monetize their work. Although it's a less known version of YouTube, there are several opportunities to monetize content on this platform. It is one of the best apps to make money by uploading videos, and it's a great idea to share your content on Rumble in addition to your social network programs. Similar to YouTube, Rumble will pay you for the advertisements that appear on your videos. Yes, so Rumble has partnerships with Xbox, Yahoo, MSN, and they allow you to earn more money from your videos. You will also receive up to $500 for each video used by one of their partners. Yes, if they decide to use any of your content, so you can make good money. If your video is excellent enough, yes, you will also be on Rumble's front page. Yes, so and you make more money. If you don't have a computer, guess what? You can make money on Rumble by using just your phone. The next website on my list here is Analytics. Yes, so on Analytics, testers are needed to access the websites of some of the top companies in the world. Yes, you can quickly earn money for evaluating, websites within minutes. Yes, so it's a good way to earn money online by visiting websites. Now, a website test, also known as remote usability testing, is carefully reviewing a client's company's website or mobile application and giving an honest evaluation. Now, the fresh perspective of a new visitor is always appreciated, and as a result, Usalytics helps to enhance the user experience of site visitors and assists website owners in growing their businesses online. The next website on my list here is crossover.com. It's a platform for hiring people for remote work. It's a secret website where you may work from the comfort of your home or any other location to earn money online. Crossover links talented individuals with their dream jobs worldwide. Now, on crossover.com, there are so many high-paying jobs of advertisements. If you find one that meets your qualification, you should go ahead and apply for it. With a job that you land on this website, you can make some amazing income. They currently employ more than 4,000 remote workers and do business in more than 150 countries. The next website on my list here is Ezoic. Yes, so it's a secret website. Yes, since it's also compared to Google AdSense and other ad networks, it's a less well-known platform for the monetization of content. However, you can make good money from this website. The fact that it's not popular doesn't mean that you can't make money from it. One of the simple methods to monetize your website or blog without selling anything is by using Ezoic. The statistic EPMV is what Ezoic uses to determine publishers' revenues. EPMV stands for earnings per 1,000 views. It's just like RPM on YouTube or CPM. Yes, revenue per mil or cost per mil. And this platform pays according to how many ad site visitors view, and your potential income is based on number of page views, website niche, and of course the visitor's geographic location. Another fantastic way to make money is to start a YouTube channel. So guys, starting a YouTube channel, yes, and monetizing a YouTube channel presents a fantastic opportunity for teenage creators worldwide to generate income without traditional employment. Yes, so YouTube has over 2 billion monthly users, and whether you like it or not, there's somebody somewhere out there for you. YouTube offers a platform where you can showcase your unique talents and interests to a wide audience regardless of your location, and there are countless niches that you can explore: beauty, cooking, lifestyle, tech, gaming, and so much more. They allow you cater for your passion and expertise. For you to begin your YouTube journey, all you need is a decent camera and basic editing software, yes, to creating engaging and high quality content. And the more you build your subscriber base and increase your viewership, you can start to earn money through various channels. Advertising revenue from YouTube's monetization program, sponsored collaborations with brands, and even merchandise. Yes, you can sell merchandise. They are all potential income streams for YouTubers. Yes, so you can also make money from blogging. Blogging offers an incredible platform to share your knowledge, your opinions, and experiences with a global audience. So regardless of whether you are interested in travel, fashion, food, or even personal finance, you can create a blog that is centered around your chosen topic. For you to launch a successful blog, you will need a reliable hosting and domain name that aligns with your niche. And I always recommend Bluehost because it's affordable and it's a dependable provider for domain names and hosting services. Now, once you have set up your blog, once it's up and running, there are so many ways to monetize your content. You can join advertising networks like Google AdSense to display relevant ads on your blog and provide you with revenue based on clicks or impressions. Yes, so guys, there are also ways to make money. Do you know that there are websites that actually give you money for free? Yeah, these are websites where rich people give you money for free. If you want me to compile an updated list, I already made a video on my channel sharing websites, yes, where rich people give you money for free. I'm not encouraging begging. While I'm not encouraging begging, I know that some people truly need money. Yes, no matter how hard they work, they're unable to meet up with their piling debts. So some people actually want to pay for their medical expenses. They cannot afford it. Some people want to undergo a surgery, but they cannot afford it. I'm not talking about plastic surgery. Even if it is, really, they don't care. They would fund you for anything, any medical emergency, surgery, or medical condition, and you need to fund. You need money for it. You can go on this website. If you want me to create a separate video outlining all of the listing all of the resources, all the websites where you can get free money, yes, let me know in the comments. So there are websites that actually give you free money to take care of your medical expenses, different kind of expenses. So whether for medical expenses or even for your school fees, yes, if you have education debts, you have student loans, these websites actually donate money. They give you money for free. If you want me to create a separate video sharing the list of these websites, please let me know in the comments. I'll be more than happy to compile all of them for you. In fact, some of these people can even fund your lifestyle. Yes, if you want to travel, they can crowdfund you. Yeah, they can give you money to travel, yes, and live the life of your dreams. You can even crowdfund to buy a house. You can buy anything. Like I said, rich people give away money for free on this website. If you want me to compile it and put it together for you, let me know in the comments. I'll be more than happy to create a video specifically for you. But please make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Yes, if you're new here, please make sure that you introduce yourselves. I will not forget. Introduce yourselves. I want to know you and meet you. Subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so that you get notified every single time I drop a new video. And in case you're seeing me for the first time, let me introduce myself. My name is Mariam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, I share with you various ways to make money. Like I always say, money is everywhere. You just need to know where to look. The moment you know where to look, you will never be broke again. I know what it feels like to be broke. I've been broke before. I don't ever want to be there again in my life. And that's why I'm always, trying to share valuable resources, ways by which you can always get yourself financially empowered. And that is it for today, guys. In case, have I introduced myself? Okay, my name is Mariam. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. I'm based here in California. On this channel, I drop multiple videos in a week. Make sure you check out my videos every day. Tune into this channel every day so that you don't miss out anything, because there's something for someone on this channel every single day. And I hope I've been able to convince you and not confuse you. This video has been a blessing to you. Yes, so on this note, I'm signing out, and I want to say this. I want to leave this as a last note. In case no one has told you today, let me be the first to tell you that you are amazing, and I am so proud of you. Take care, guys, and go to Express, and God bless you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.